How to change the color of your monogram or background in Adobe Illustrator. Open Adobe Illustrator. In the top left corner, click File, then choose Open from the drop-down menu. Select the PDF file with your monogram on the background. To change the background color, click once on the black background. On the left side toolbar, double-click the black square. The color picker window will open. Choose the color you want, or move the slider to adjust the color. If you want to change the color of the monogram, do the same steps. If you need a transparent background, click on the background and press the Delete key on your keyboard. The background will be removed. How to save your file. In the top left corner, click File and choose Save As. Change the file name. In the Format drop-down, make sure Adobe PDF is selected. This format is great for printing. Click the Save button. In the Adobe PDF preset section, choose High Quality Print. Then click Save PDF at the bottom. Your file will be saved in the color and format you chose, ready for printing.